Hello everyone, I am Ramon, and in this video I will shortly discuss the feminism and queer theory. Feminism is a range of social movements, political movements, and ideologies that aim to define and establish the political, economic, personal, and social equality of the sexes. Feminism incorporates the position that societies prioritize the male point of view and that women are treated unjustly within those societies. The queer theory is a field of critical theory that emerged in the early 1990s out of the queer studies, often formerly gay and lesbian studies and women's studies. The importance of gender. All cultures in all time periods make gender distinctions. We start thinking more intensely about gender and times when gender configurations undergo changes or shifts. For instance, according to the Book of Woman Questions in the 19th century, gender innate and biological or the product of socialization and environment, and it is the family structure natural, divinely ordained, socially constructed, and variable. The social construction versus essentialism views about gender. According to essentialism, gender is a biological view. Gender is natural. We are born with innate gender differences. Women are naturally feminine, men are naturally masculine. According to social construction, gender is environmental view. Difference between sex and gender. We are taught gender differences. We perform the gender roles our society teaches us to perform. Cage's definition of feminism. A feminist is someone interested in studying gender as a system of cultural signs or meanings. These signs have a direct effect on how we live our individual lives and how our social institutions operate. A feminist sees the gender systems currently in place as structured on a basic binary opposition in which one term, masculine, is privileged. This gives more social power to men. A feminist thinks point 1 and 2 are wrong and should be changed. The queer theory is named as a discipline since 1991. It is grew out of gay or lesbian studies, which in turn grew out of feminist studies. Feminism challenged the idea that gender is essential or natural. Queer theory challenges the idea that sexuality or sex acts are an essential, unchanging aspect of identity, or that they are naturally moral or immoral. Feminist theory is the extension of feminism into theoretical or philosophical fields. It encompasses work in a variety of disciplines, including anthropology, sociology, economics, women's studies, literary criticism, art history, psychoanalysis, and philosophy. Feminist theory aims to understand gender inequality and focuses on gender politics, power relations, and sexuality. Queer theory is lens used to explore and challenge how scholars, activists, artistic texts, and the media perpetrate gender and sex-based binaries, and its goal is to undo hierarchies and fight against social inequalities.